I want to talk to you about this no-touch thermometer. With this really nice storage case, it fits right in there. So now you can put that right in your drawer or in your cabinet, wherever you store your items, and it's nice and safe. If anything is like me, you still have this type of thermometer that you have to put in your mouth. But I decided I didn't want to do that anymore, and I liked this no touch. So what happens? It has it also has an ear reader. Now, I'm not exactly sure how to make that ear reader work. I tried and I could not get it to work. I'm not really interested in that piece anyhow. It also has a fever alert on it. Now, I haven't heard the fever alert because I haven't had a fever, but this is ideal if you have kids, especially a baby, and you that are fussy and you don't really want to touch them. All you really do is you just point it to your head and turn it on, and then it vibrates. You really couldn't hear it, but then you can see the temperature right there, and then you have a whoop. It went off already. See, it already went off, and it had a green light there. Let me do. What you don't want to do is hit the button now, because it's going to read the air temperature. It's in the room, and you're never going to get a good reading. Very easy way to take someone's temperature, whether it's an adult and you don't want to be using this, or a child or a baby. This is a perfect, ideal thing, and that is just my honest opinion.